The design of the atoms in my body echoes the structure of star systems in space. As Neil deGrasse Tyson says, we're all connected to each other biologically, to the Earth chemically, and to the universe physically. Pick any domain of human knowledge, and you'll find that all the big ideas in that domain, regardless of what it is, are all interconnected in various ways. So it doesn't really matter how poorly designed your curriculum is. There's a bunch of big ideas in there that are all interconnected in interesting ways. And that's our challenge as teachers, to help make those implicit connections explicit to our students in the way that we design teaching. So teaching, ultimately, well, Alan Kay says that our curriculum should be designed around ideas rather than media. But regardless of how that curriculum is designed, our lessons should be designed in the same way. Whatever the big idea is that you're teaching today, design the lesson around the big ideas or the core idea. So, what do students need to know? What ideas immediately have to precede the one that we're teaching today? What does a student have to fundamentally know, and actually does already know from previous learning, that will feed and inform and is similar to the ideas that we're teaching in our class today? Start lesson planning or designing around ideas rather than media. And once you've got those ideas, let's see what media you can come up with to explore the different facets of that idea or how it's connected to different things. Here's an example. One of the things I had to teach my students was how to divide polynomial expressions. Well, the first thing I would have them do is do long division on ordinary numbers because the process is identical. Another example. I had to teach a unit on exponential functions and logarithms. I wanted them to understand that a logarithm was an exponent, the inverse of an exponential function. The two are related by undoing each other. So to begin, I gave them some numbers on the board and said, I want you to write those numbers in as many different ways as you possibly can, but in each case, use exponents. That's a grade 12 class, starting with something that they would have learned way back in grade 9, possibly earlier. Similarly, what big ideas can you structure what you're teaching your kids today or tomorrow in class around ideas that they've previously learned? Start with the big ideas, then pick the media. Would that work for you?